Welcome to our Microsoft Teams tutorial. So I'm going to get us started at the class link screen, and you're going to go to the top and type in the word Teams. You're going to click that, and we're going to continue the website just for now. When you get to the login screen, you're going to type in your student's user ID, their login information and password. So I'm going to use a student account, and I'll just keep their password confidential so you can see exactly what the student sees. So the username for Microsoft Teams is your student's student ID number at fcstu.org. I'm going to click next. And then the password is the same password as their ClassLink password. Okay, once they get in, you'll see all of the classes that your student is registered for. As you can see, they're registered for their specials classes and my class. So in the mornings, they're going to come to Miss Hall's second grade class with the pineapple icon. They're going to click that, and this is the screen that's going to pop up. When I start a live lesson, there will be a little camera icon right here. All you have to do is click the camera icon and you will be in the Teams meeting. I will name the session. So if it's reading time, the name of the meeting will say reading 8/26/2020 or whatever the date is, and they'll be able to tap in and sign in. So that is how you get into Microsoft Teams, and that's how we will start our meetings.